Sometimes I walk through life too fast, like tomorrow always wait for me. But you remind me every morning, life itself is the blessing I see. Wake up early, sunlight through the door. First thing I do is praise Jah more. Every breath is a gift from above. Every step guided by His love. I used to chase what I could not see, thinking the world had some for me. But Jah just show me patiently, the richest life is humility. I give thanks, Jah Jah, every day for the light that shows my way. Through the storms and through the calm, Jah Jah keep my spirit strong. I give thanks, Jah Jah, every night for the strength to keep the fight. Only Jah Jah really knows which way this life and journey goes. Mama told me when I was young, walk with faith and guard your tongue. Plant good seeds in every land, Jah will bless the work of your hands. Life get heavy, road get rough. Some days the climb feels way too tough, but when the ground feels hard to stand, Jah Jah always lend a hand. I give thanks, Jah Jah, every day for the breath you give my way, for the trials that made me grow, for the truth you help me know. I give thanks, Jah Jah, every night for the courage in the fight. Only Jah Jah really knows how this winding river flows. Through the valleys, through the rise, Jah Jah open up my eyes. Even when the path feels long, His guidance keeps me moving strong. I give thanks, Jah Jah, every day for the love you send my way, for the road beneath my feet, for the blessings bittersweet. I give thanks, Jah Jah, every night for the wisdom in your sight. Only Jah Jah truly knows where tomorrow's river flows. So I walk with a grateful heart and let Jah guide every part.